Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a few box openings to do, and this one is a watch I got off of Kickstarter. Before we get to that, you'll see that I'm still wearing that DUFA from my last video. That's the 9016-01. It was a watchgang platinum watch. I actually really like this one. If you want to check out the review on it, I will link to it below. So let's go ahead and open this one up. This is one I had waited for a long time, and honestly, oh my gosh, Kickstarter is like pulling teeth to me just because of the wait. So this will just be a quick box opening, and then I will do a follow-up review after I wear this one a little bit more. Nice little case. You see we have a Helgray watch there. And I got the tactical black automatic. I like that open heart. I like the dial design. I like the red accents on the crown, just on actually a pretty nice thick Nato. To be honest, I don't know or remember all the specs on this one, so I can tell you I bought it in on one of the early bird specials. I think this one was $299 when I bought, or $229, excuse me, I think, when I bought it. And the price has gone up substantially. So that is one of the good things about Kickstarter, is being able to get something early on before the price goes up. It looks like we do have a display case back. But other than that, Kickstarter was driving me nuts. I've had a couple watches. I have one more that I actually need to do a review on. I will say this, Helgray, or Nad over at Helgray, really did some great updates, keeping everyone posted on what was going on with the watches as they were going through production. And so far, I like the feel of this. I think this is going to be a pretty nice piece to actually to wear. So, pretty cool. Pull it off real quick. And we'll just throw it on wrist real quick to see what it looks like. So, quick shot of it. That's what it looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I will do my usual, wear this one a little bit, find out all the specs and info on it, and make a follow-up video. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.